Hi everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to open the control center on your iPhone without touching the screen. Let's jump right in. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down a little and tap on Accessibility. Next, scroll down again and select Touch. Now, scroll all the way to the bottom and tap on Back Tap. Here, you'll see two options: Double Tap and Triple Tap. You can choose whichever one you prefer. After selecting your option, a list of actions will appear. Scroll through and tap on Control Center. Once that's done, go back to your home screen. Now, simply double tap or triple tap on the back of your iPhone, depending on what you selected, and the Control Center will open instantly. No need to touch the screen. And that's it. If you found this tip helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more useful iPhone tricks. Thanks for watching.